Hello everyone. In this video we will see subtraction of fractions. Okay, basically the method is, if the denominators are different, means we have to find first LCM. We have to find for the both the denominators, convert the fractions into equivalent fractions, then subtract the numerator, then simplify if required. Means basically it is not only for two fractions, we can do it for multiple also. Means 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9, like this also we can do the subtraction. Basically first what we have to do, we have to find LCM of denominator. So finding LCM is very important, because not only here, wherever fractions comes, LCM part comes. So please be perfect with LCM, finding LCM of numbers. Okay, let me solve this example only. Let me write once again, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9. Right, first what we have to do, LCM of denominators. Right, let me find LCM of denominators. What are the denominators? 3 comma 8 comma 9. So basically we have to find LCM for 3, 8, 9. As I told, finding the LCM, we will use this method only. Basically what we will start? We will start with prime numbers. Use prime numbers. This will give perfect LCM. Otherwise you might get bigger than the LCM also. Right? So use prime numbers for finding the LCM. So we will start with 2, right? 2. Can we divide 3? No. Can we divide it? Yes. 2 for the same number 9. As I told, finding LCM means we have to get at last 1 as answer for all the numbers. Now again I will do with 2, because here 4 is there, it will be divisible by 2 only. 2 2s are, and we will write same for 3 and 9. Can I go with 2? Yes. Another 2 is remaining. 2 1s are. Again 3 9. If it is not divisible, please continue the same number. And we are done with 8, means we are getting 1, right? So done with 8. Now what about these two numbers? So no even number, so I will go for 3. 3 1s are, 3 3s are, and continue the same number. Here we are done with 3 also. We got 1 here, right? And we are left with this one number, so again I will go with 2. 3 1s are, and continue the numbers. Means basically we are done with LCM of 3, 8, 9. What we have to do to get the LCM? Just multiply these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Basically 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 7. 72 is the LCM for 3, 8, 9. Right? Now we got LCM for 3, 8, 9, right? Let me write once again here. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9. So LCM is 72, right? In previous video what we done? Basically we have to convert equivalent fractions. That's why what we multiply here? To get 72, how much I have to multiply? For 3. So for 3, how much I have to multiply? For that 72 by 3. Divide the 72 by 3. How much you will get? 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are. Means if I multiply 3 into 24, then I will get 72, right? So 3 24s are. So however we multiply 24 here, so we are writing 72, right? Common. What about 8? 8 9s are 72, right? So 8 9s are 72. Here also 8 9s are. That's why we are writing common 72. Here also will get 72. Here also will get 72. Here also will get 72. That's why I wrote as common 72. Just I am multiplying for here only, because this is also, it is nothing but into 24. Here also into 9. Here 9 8s are, so 1 8s are, which gives 1 into 24 as 24 minus 1 into 9 9, 1 into 8 8. So it means if the denominators are same, then it is easy to do the calculation. Whatever the calculation part is there, just simply do it. Denominator will be same for all the numbers. Means 24 minus 9 minus 8. Here see, just I wrote 72 and just I am multiplying here 29, 24, 9, 8, because these will give 72 as the answer. That's why I wrote as a one common 72, and just I am multiplying these numbers 7, 24, 9, 8 for the numerator. So 24 minus 9, how much? 24 minus 9 will be 15 minus 8 by 72. 15 minus 8, how much? 7 by 72. So the answer is 7 by 72. If you subtract 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9, we will get 7 by 72. This is the answer. So same steps. Find the LCM, convert fractions into equivalent. Equivalent means this is the equivalent. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 into 24, 24 by 3 into 24, 72. 1 by 3 is equal to 24 by 72. 1 by 8 equal to 9 by 72. 1 by 9 equal to 8 by 72. Means all the denominators are same, right? 72, 72, 72. That's why equivalent fractions with having denominators same. So basically 21, 24 ones are 24 threes. Again we will get 1 by 3 only. For simple calculation, we are converting into LCM here. All the denominator must be equal to the LCM of the denominators. That's it. Okay. These are the steps. Find LCM, convert fractions into equivalent, subtract, simplify if required. Suppose assume simplify if required means I got final answer as 4 by 8. We can simplify further, it means 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Means final answer numerator and the denominator HCF must be 1, then only it is called simplified one, right? So that's why we have to simplify if needed. Okay, here are some examples. Let me solve this. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. What is the LCM for denominators? We will get it as 4, right? Follow the steps, you will get it. 4 1 ja 4, 2 2 ja. 3 1 ja 3 minus 1 2 ja 2, which will give us 1 by 4. And let me solve 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. 5 by 6 minus 1 by 3. First we have to find LCM, right? 3 6 LCM, it will be 6 only. Try to calculate, and for 3 and 6 we will get 6 only, because 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 2 1 ja 3 2 ja 6, right? That's why 6 is the LCM. So to get 6, what we have to multiply? 6 1 ja 3 2 ja. So 5 into 1 5 minus 2 into 1 2. 5 minus 2 3 by 6. Here you have to simplify, right? Because HCF is not 1. 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja. Now HCF is 1. So this is the final answer. 1 by 2 we will get here 1 by 2. What about 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4? 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4. LCM will be 8. 4 2 ja 8. 7 8 1 ja 8. 7 1 ja we will get 7 minus 3 2 ja 6. 7 minus 6 1 by 8. Does it need simplification further? No, because HCF is 1 only. So this is the simplified answer. So 1 by 8 is the final answer. And here are some practice questions. So please try to solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see in next video. Thank you.